Hi guys, I am back with a dip powder mini. So Azure Beauty sent me another dip powder kit to feature on my channel, so thank you to Azure Beauty. It has 4 dip powder colors along with 3 additional pieces. So we're going to go ahead and get into this kit. And I'm just showing you what's on the back of the box. And so when you open the kit, it comes with, as I mentioned, 4 dip powder colors, kind of all in the the same color family. The kit comes with 2 extra brushes in case you get your dip liquid brushes messed up. It comes with a nail file. I believe that's like 100 grit or 180 grit nail file. It comes with dip powder instructions on how to apply your dip powder. So if you're a beginner, these instructions work well, or you can pay attention to the menu that I'm about to do and it works as well. So it gives you instructions on natural nail and how to apply dip powder to an artificial nails. I don't wear artificial nails. I just grow out my natural nails using build gel. So let's get into this kit. It also comes with an after service card. If you need customer service or any problems, it tells you to contact Azure Beauty. And then it comes with a color difference card, whether you do 1 dip powder application layer, 2 or 3. It comes with the dip liquids, a disposable nail tray, a nice soft nail brush to remove excess dip powder from the nail, and the 4 dip powder colors as I have previously mentioned. Initially, I couldn't tell the difference in the 2 shimmer colors, so I had to go to my Pinterest board to find. So all my dips I save on my Pinterest board, just so I know what I have, and so it links, of course, to the product on Amazon. And so Azure Beauty products can be found on Amazon, and this particular kit coming up, here's the kit on Amazon. It retails for $19.99. So it shows you the colors with top coat and matte to top coat. And so I decided to do a 3 color mani here, and I am using the liquids in the kit. No problems at all. I think this is a great beginner friendly kit. So if you're looking into getting into dip powder, this is a kit that works well. It's an all-in-one kit, and I forgot to mention that I do apply hollow taco pili base on top of my builder gel, just so I can pop off the dip powder. They applied smooth. This time I decided to dip my finger, which is unusual for me. I just wanted to get a feel for the powders. They're nice and smooth powders, no problems whatsoever. So guys, just hang out with me while I do this dip powder application. I forgot to mention, since I'm using Azure Beauty's liquids that came in the kit, I usually wear my respirator because I have a tendency to develop dip flu with regular dip liquids. And so I used a simple face mask this time. I had my fan going along with an air purifier, and I woke up with a stuffy nose. That's just me. Some people can use dip liquids without any problems, but when I'm using regular dip liquids, I always try to use or wear my respirator to avoid that. I don't know what I was thinking this day, but it is what it is. And so I'm just going in with a second coat of dip powder on all nails, and then I'm going to encapsulate the one shimmer nail in Azure Beauty's clear. It's a good clear, it works fine, no problems with it. And then I'm going to apply activator to harden the dip powder and do my filing and buffing off camera. So honestly, I don't know if I really needed to encapsulate this particular color in clear, because it was more so of a shimmer versus a glitter. But to err on the side of safety, I went ahead and encapsulated the nail in clear. And I'm just doing the pour over with a little salt spoon there. I only encapsulate one nail in clear, and so I did like the colors in this kit. They were very neutral and they all paired well together. I used 3 out of the 4 colors. I really loved the color on my ring finger. It kind of reminded me of a mauve or like rose type color. And so the activator worked well, does its job, which is to cure and harden the dip powder in preparation for filing and buffing. So here are my nails after filing and buffing. I had some water slide decals that I thought would pair well with this color, because it incorporated the colors within this dip powder set in the mani, and so I cut those out. I'm spraying them with water. Now I messed up a little bit with this mani. Sometimes you be doing a little bit too much, and that's what I did, a little too much. And so where I wanted the decals to go, instead of putting the sticky base coat on the entire nail, some of them I just put it in the sticky base coat on the spot that I thought that I was going to place the decal. Now when I'm gonna tell you what I should have done once I finished this set. And so I'm applying the sticky base coat to the nail, giving that 30 to 45 seconds to become tacky, removing the excess water from the water decal, and using my stamper, removing the paper backing, and I'm going to place the water decals on the nail. And these are more like 3D type decals. They're raised, and so I did not like this decal right here on my ring finger. Now I should have left well enough alone, but I didn't as usual. And so once I stamped that, I was like, this is missing something. And so I applied a butterfly on my middle finger. I then went in with 𝑻𝒊𝒔𝒉 smudge free top coat and placed that over the nails with the decal. You can see I removed the decal from my ring finger. I gave that time to dry, and then I'm going in with Azure Beauty's activator, because activator will allow the top coat to dry and dry nice and shiny. Now the instructions do not state to apply activator, but I did that anyway. I'm removing excess activator from the nail that has not dried yet, and I couldn't get that bottle so small I couldn't get it open, and so my husband had to open it for me. And so I'm applying the first layer of top coat in 3 swipes. Well, not 3 swipes here, but I'm applying that to the nail, most of the nails, in 3 swipes, and wiping the brush off on a lint-free towel. And then I immediately go in with the second layer of top coat. This time you can be more detailed and you want to cap the free edge. So with the second layer of top coat, I had like a rose gem, and so I applied that to my ring finger, but it didn't stay. I went to wash my hands and it was drying off the paper towel with the paper towel, and it popped right off. So I will be reusing that. And you can see this little I got some top gel on my skin, and so once I go over, and I purposely skipped over some of the nails, and so because I wanted to save that rose for last. I think that color on my ring finger with just that rose would have been so pretty, because I do love that color for some strange reason. Blue's my favorite. And so I'm applying that to the nail. You can use glue to adhere your rhinestones or gems, but I think for this particular one, if I was to wear this for long term, I would have used some rhinestone gel. So guys, coming up is the finished look. Please like this video, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Have you used Azure Beauty dip powders? And subscribe to my channel. It is free 99. So I appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you to Azure Beauty, and I hope you guys have a wonderful week.